Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we head to Beverly Hills, we got quite a few things to talk about here. Mainly these two tickets that are sitting on my table, but more importantly, we got the 118 LaFerrari and all red carbon here by BBR. They're part of their exclusive series. We got chassis or model number 1 out of 20. So obviously they did not make this in red carbon, so it's kind of like a fantasy color, but we got the Cinque here, we got Greg's BC that I mentioned a video or two ago. And of course, we got another special surprise order over there and unopened box. No polarizer on, but it's one of those colors where you kind of love it or you hate it. Got a good deal, 275 bucks. There it is with the cover off or the lid off. But yeah, I mean, we got these two tickets that I received within 48 hours just chilling on the table here. But I mean, if you guys have not watched those videos, please do so. They'll be linked on the upper right hand corner. This same Officer Pena has been harassing me and my buddies. The mind suffers, the body cries out. Officer Pena wants to be part of the channel. He wants to be internet famous, so maybe we'll oblige him, you know? We'll make him a guest appearance once a month on the channel every time we get pulled over. We're gonna try and calm down just a bit. You know, right now we're tight. We're gonna keep this rolling, but I mentioned earlier there is a secret trip happening very soon. By the time this video goes live, we'll be at our destination city. But we got War Robots sponsoring today's video. And honestly, without you guys and the sponsors, none of this would be possible. A lot of these trips cost a lot of money and obviously a lot of time, but you know, it is what I do best and I love doing it for you guys. So let's talk about today's video sponsor. War Robots is an action-packed tactical multiplayer game with 6 versus 6 team battles in real time. Over 90 million players have already installed the game, guys. Now there's a huge variety of robots and weapons with tons of possible combinations. You can create a war machine to fit your own style of play, crazy 3D graphics. By the way, update 4.0 just released new robots, weapons, maps, and game modes. Install War Robots now and you're gonna get a huge starter pack of 1 bull robot, a unique skin. You're gonna also get a full set of weapons, 100 gold and 400,000 silver. And this robot is naturally durable with tons of HP. Make sure to click on the link in the description below to get the ultimate hookup, guys. Join me, play the game, and slay the competition right off the bat, guys. Trust me on this. I always vouch for every sponsor and company that goes on my channel. As you can tell, I got my own War Robots hanger deck here. No, they did not give this to me for free. They wouldn't do that. I earned this with my own blood, sweat, and tears. But yeah, here's my pilot ID right over here if you guys want to add me. So feel free to, you want to squad up, let me know in the comments below what your pilot ID is. So I do appreciate all the support, guys. But anyways, we got to head over to Beverly Hills. We got a lot to do, a lot to see. Let's roll, man. That's correct, guys. We're back in Beverly Hills and we're in the 2008 Toyota Prius going incognito today because obvious reasons that I mentioned before, and there is an umbrella parade happening. Now, there's no Mr. Sheep here. We got Mr. Snapchat Ghost and Hello Kitty. So, yep. Check out this amazing plate. We got Hot Charger. He's got the two-toned going on with a trunk lid right there. Check the curb height right here, guys. It's pretty damn insane how high some of these curbs are. Not just in Beverly Hills, but in Los Angeles in general. Dude, check out this dog. Yes. Oh, he's done. He's like, oh, no leash, no nothing. That's awesome.
That's the Wild West right there.
Wow. And we got Chipotle here at the tables on Rodeo, guys. We're stepping up our game. Speaking of plates, we got a dollar bill on the Ford Flex. Yeah. Look at this guy. He's just honking for no goddamn reason. There's nowhere you could go, buddy. Dude, the traffic is completely knackered. Look at that. All the way down to the end. Fuck, man. Beverly Hills. Guys, you gotta check out this Porsche. It's a Project 1 Porsche. Look at the fin, the wheels, the fenders, everything. It's got a roof scoop. Dude, we got a Project 1 Porsche on Rodeo Drive. Hold on, I'm gonna hop on over here. No way, what the fuck is that? Dude, there it is, Project 1 Porsche on Rodeo. Huh. The dog vlog is on point. Oh, you know what's really interesting? A lot of people got mad that I was filming dogs during the Rodeo concourse. So just for you guys, there's one more dog right over there, the German Shepherd. I don't know, they were like, oh, you're not focused on the cars, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, dude,
the best part.
The dogs were the best part, guys. AMG GTR in the launch spec matte green. And of course, We got none other than the 90210 BHPD, probably pulling people over for no front plates. Just chilling, but I gotta tell you guys about my Jaguar key. Now, on the top here, there's like a little metallic or plastic casing that held a spare key. And unfortunately, I dropped my keys. The cap here fell off, and so did the spare key. So, funny enough, it actually dropped down a gutter. So, by the way, check out my 2008 Toyota Prius key. Now, there's a little latch on the top here to release the emergency physical key. Why can't Jaguar do the same? It was just like a little piece of I'll show you guys when I get home my spare key, but this is just absolutely ridiculous. I just dropped it, the key went down a goddamn gutter, and now look at this. I look like a moron. Good Lord. Oh my God. Solution on the Brabus AMG S500 old school. I don't even know if that's a real AMG or a Brabus car, but we got an Aventador S and a funky highlighter yellow right there. All right. Upon closer inspection, that is definitely not the solution. It is a fake Brabus on this old school Mercedes. So what a play. Dr. Mo in the drop top Rolls Royce. Now, Ramadan has been over for about a week now, so all the Arabs are slowly just coming out of the woodwork. So we're back on Beverly, and we'll do a drive-by right next to their favorite spot, Nespresso right up there. But we got a what is that? We got a Nardo Gray GT3. Ooh. And here he is, the man in the PP Performance Mercedes. Yes, sir. The Arabs are definitely back out in full force, guys. This is a good thing. Ooh, CLK63 AMG. Change of plans, guys. Our buddy from Brazil, Renato, has just shown up in a Mini Winnie RV. So here we go. What the fuck? Did I just close the door? Oh, we got the hookup, dude. You've been living out in this thing?
Look at my cheeseburger tower. I got it at Walmart yesterday.
At Walmart.
Oh, look at my brand new.
Oh, he's got a 1/18 scale model from the Peterson.
Carrera 9. It's a RSR 1960.
Okay, yeah. We're in the Mini Winnie right here on Rodeo Drive.
Straight from Peterson's Speciality as well.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
You've been buying stuff left and right.
3 bags of stuff.
Full tour of the RV here. There's actually a bunk space on top. The camera's not focusing. There it is. And a TV. We got a little table to chill. We got your stove. Does this have a fridge or I don't know. Maybe not. Oh wait, right here. Scratch has a fridge right here, a bed, and of course the shower. Boom. Most unexpected things happen here in Beverly Hills. Renato, our buddy from Brazil, has shown up in a Mini Winnie RV. We're just gonna park this on the residential streets of Rodeo Drive or Beverly Hills. Strange things on this channel, guys. Very strange things. All right, guys, check this out. We got one white AMG GTR at Il Style. I'm gonna round the corner. We saw a second one, and yes, I still have not cleaned my windshield. You can actually see the reflection. It's quite dirty, so sorry, I guess. Here we go, guys. We're on Beverly, right next to the brand new restaurant Avra. Second white AMG GTR. Got a F1 Boss plate on this baby blue Aventador SV with red outlines on the diffuser, and it's got tire stickers. This is like a Sam Lee spec right here, guys. Holy smokes. Not too shabby. Here at the Waldorf Astoria, you don't really see these cars around. Right next to the Bentayga. By the way, we just illegally parked the Prius here at the Waldorf Astoria. The valet were wondering whose car it is, and I see some police lights up there. Let's see what's going on. Hold on, guys. We're attempting to investigate this crash here. It looks to be pretty bad. I'm gonna zoom in. Ooh. Ooh, that is pretty bad. Ooh, all the airbags went off too. Fuck. See that? Yikes. Head-on collision, man. Near the end of the video, it's around 11 p.m. and we got a photo shoot. Woman in red on Sunset Boulevard. Yay. Hooray. Earth Cafe is absolutely knackered and packed right now. Ramadan is over, so happy Eid Mubarak to all the Arabs watching this channel. Well guys, the vlog is basically over. I try my very best to find you guys the best cars in Beverly Hills and Los Angeles, but sometimes your best just isn't enough. But hey, very soon we got the special trip coming very soon in a few days. But yes, unfortunately the Leap has kind of failed us, but you know what? It's all good, baby. Because you know what? We're in the Prius, we're rolling, we're rocking it hard, no fucks given, and I didn't get pulled over. So that's the important thing. Anyways, thanks for the support, guys. I do appreciate it. Till next time, man.